Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. So students, let's get started with the today's lecture. So the next thing is Unacademy's awesome special classes. Yes, we are having the live real-time interactions using chats and emojis. Yes, Unacademy के जो हमारे स्पेशल क्लासेस है वहाँ पर आप लोग लाइव रियल टाइम इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं by using chats and emojis. Yes, obviously you are going to have poll leaderboards and you can compete with your friends also. वहाँ पर कुछ polls हो गए leaderboards. So उसमें क्या होगा, आपकी पढ़ाई की पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी and yes you will have the fun with learning. And the next feature of these special classes is you can ask questions using the question tab. You can see the screenshots here. The question, you can type your questions related to the subject and directly send to the teacher also. So ये हमारे Unacademy के some of the special classes के features है. That is, you are going to have live real time interaction using the chat and emojis. Then you can have the live quiz through pros. So pro leaderboards में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? You can have the competition with your friends also, and you can ask the questions using the question tab also. Then next, how to watch these special classes also. देखिए आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, पहले यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो लर्नर ऐप जो है डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो टू दी गूगल प्ले स्टोर, और आपका अगर एप्पल का है तो यू कैन हैव दी एप्पल स्टोर ऑल्सो. सो वहाँ पर आप लोग अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप के लिए सर्च कीजिए एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. देन इंस्टॉल इट, डाउनलोड कर. वहाँ पर आप लोग क्या करेंगे, ओपन दी ऐप एंड क्लिक ऑन गेट स्टार्टेड. ठीक है, आपका ऐप ओपन हो जाएगा. Then next step is you have to enter your mobile number and OTP. आपका जो करंट मोबाइल नंबर है आपको यूज करना है. then you will get one OTP and based on that OTP you are going to sign up using the email ID. So next step is you have to enter your full name, then your mobile number will be already registered. Then enter your email address and state of the register. So this is the step to watch the special classes. That's the last step is sign up using the email ID. First one, download the Unacademy Learner app, then open the app and click on get started. Then enter your number, that is mobile number and OTP, and lastly sign up using the email ID. Then next step is that is select the classes from class 6 to class 12. It is what goal you are preparing for. You can select for the competitive exams, as well as if you are going for the class CBC classes 6 to class 12, you can go for that also. ठीक है, CBC क्लास 6 to 12 आप लोगों ने सेलेक्ट कर लिया. उसके बाद आपके डिफरेंट क्लासेस आएंगे, क्लास 6 to class 12 एंड आल्सो द क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. देन आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर ओन क्लास. देन नेक्स्ट, विच लैंग्वेज यू वुड प्रिफर टू लर्न, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आप लोगों को पढ़ाई करें. सो यहाँ पर सेलेक्ट योर प्रिफर्ड लैंग्वेज. सो यू कैन यूज इंग्लिश, हिंदी, और हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, both mixed. Then next what you are going to do, go to the description of this video, the video which I am playing now, and click on the special class link. यहाँ पर special class की जो link है वहाँ पर आप लोग चाहिए. Then click on notify me and you will get denotified 10 minutes before the class begins. And you can use the code to unlock the special classes for free. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग देखेंगे इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन का अगला पार्ट, दैट इज मेजर्स टू ओवरकम द बैरियर्स ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन. सो उससे पहले हम लोगों ने देखा प्रीवियस लेक्चर में That is some of the contents, that is introduction, then principles of effective communication. What are the 7 C's of effective communication? Then barriers in communication. So first one is introduction, which we have seen, which means what? The effective communication includes the participation of the both the parties in a constructive ways. So what we can say, the effective communication is effective when the communication is a टू वे प्रोसेस. ऑब्वियसली अगर टू वे प्रोसेस हो तो ही कम्युनिकेशन जो है वो इफेक्टिव हो सकता है. एंड द इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन इज हैविंग बोथ प्रिंसिपल्स एज वेल एज बैरियर्स. इसके कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स भी होते हैं एंड बैरियर्स भी होते हैं, जो हम लोगों ने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में देखे थे. So whatever the principles we have seen, first one is clarity, then second one is attention, then third one is consistency, then fourth one is adequacy, fifth one is timeliness, sixth one is feedback, and lastly seventh one is economy. ये सारे प्रिंसिपल्स जो है हम लोगों ने इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन के लास्ट लेक्चर में देखे हुए थे. देन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट विच वी हैव स्टडीड इज 7 C's ऑफ इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन. So first one is the control, then conversational, confident, we have seen then competent, calm, clear, and concise. The next point which we have seen is barriers in communication. So कौन से ऐसे factors होते हैं जो communication में barriers बन सकते हैं? So first one is the lingual factor, then second one is the environmental factor, third one is the past experiences, then fourth one is which we have seen the cultural influence, then fifth one is the prejudice, sixth one is the feelings, and seventh one is the personal factor. So these are nothing but the some of the barriers in communication. So the next point which we are going to study is measures to overcome barriers of communication. अब तक हम लोगों ने बैरियर्स देखे कम्युनिकेशन के, कौन कौन से बैरियर्स थे. अभी इस लेक्चर में हम लोग देखेंगे मेजर्स टू ओवरकम द बैरियर्स ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन. तो देखिए यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने बैरियर्स तो देखे. अगर आपको बैरियर पता है तो वी कैन से द काउंटर मेजर्स टू ओवरकम इट एंड मेक द कम्युनिकेशन पॉसिबल, सक्सेसफुल and obviously effective. So different barriers require some different measures to overcome them. Barrier different होते हैं तो obviously उसके लिए measures भी जो है वो हमको different लगेंगे. So we are going to discuss about the different measures you can apply to overcome the barriers of effective communication. So which are these measures? So first one is overcoming lingual factors. Then we are going to see overcoming environmental factors or physical distractions, then overcoming barriers of past experiences, that is psychological, then overcoming barriers of cultural influence, overcoming the prejudice, overcoming barriers of feelings, and last one is overcoming barriers of personal factors. देखिए जरूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ इतने ही आपके बैरियर्स है. देयर आर सो मेनी बैरियर्स ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन. वी आर सीइंग सम कॉमन बैरियर्स which are there for the effective communications. So let us start with the first one, that is overcoming lingual factors. So to overcome the lingual factors के लिए आपको एक ही काम करना पड़ेगा. You need to prepare appropriately. So remember that the preparation is the essential part of communication, and yes, obviously you should carefully think about the language which is the need of the receiver and which is understandable by receiver or audience. अगर आपको उनकी लैंग्वेज नहीं आते तो you can use some visual forms also. You can use some photographs, some drawings, some diagrams, and so on to overcome the language barriers. And you may also use some non-verbal communication. So in this way we can overcome the lingual factors. So here आपको एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है, that is you should be aware with the different situations and different cultures, including workplace cultures and including personal factors. So यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, some you can have some interpretation regarding some non-verbal communication. Yes, lingual factor जो आपको बैरियर करता है कम्युनिकेशन में, तो आपको नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन को भी ऐड करना चाहिए. So, but whenever you are using the non-verbal communication, you must be careful about the signs or gestures postures, because one way or one sign is acceptable in one culture may be offensive in other culture. So be careful whenever you are using the non-verbal communication to overcome the lingual factors. So यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना चाहिए जनरली, एक तो आपको ठीक से प्रिपेयर रहना चाहिए, और दूसरी बात तो ये है कि अगर आपको लैंग्वेज ऑडियंस की पता नहीं हो तो आपको जनरली विजुअल फॉर्म्स, कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स, कुछ पिक्चर्स, कुछ वीडियोस, कुछ चार्ट्स दिखाने चाहिए दैट कैन बी अंडरस्टैंडेबल बाय कॉमन पीपल. Then next one is the overcoming environmental factors or physical distractions. देखिए, to overcome the environmental factors like too hot, too cold, or noise, then mosquitoes, the communicator should ensure that the message which is delivered must be in a distraction-free environment. So to address this issue, communicator को क्या करना चाहिए? We need to stop and get some remedial measures done. That is, get the temperature of AC adjusted, and then only repeat the message in the distraction-free environment. So distraction जो है वो क्या होता है, आपका मैसेज जो है वो प्रॉपरली रिसीवर को रिसीव नहीं होता है. So it is your responsibility, that is, it is your means what? It is sender's or speaker's responsibility to ensure that the message which you are sending must be in a distraction-free environment. Then next one is the overcoming barriers of past experiences. These are nothing but psychological barriers. देखिए, the past experience का जो barrier है उसको ओवरकम करने के लिए हमको क्या करना चाहिए? that these barriers can be overcome by keeping in mind the psychology of receiver. पहले आपको क्या करना चाहिए? रिसीवर की साइकोलॉजी जो है उस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए. So by keeping it in mind, how the receiver or how the audience who is going to the message, उसके पहले हम लोगों को पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस साइकोलॉजिकल स्टडी कर लेनी चाहिए. एंड यूजिंग what we can say subjective measures like encouragement, then stimulants like achievement appreciation, then showing role models who overcame such things can help. बट एक इस सारी चीज़ों में एक बात का ध्यान रहना चाहिए कि आप लोग जो कुछ भी उसको encouragement दे रहे हैं, जो कुछ भी उसको मोटिवेशन दे रहे हैं, वो उसके लिए कोई बर्डन ना हो जाए. दैट इज, in such cases what we can say, these things are not forced as the receiver may feel anxiety and get panic. So यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है? instead of all this thing, you try to calmly use these measures, and obviously after gaining the receiver's confidence. So in this way you can overcome the barrier of past experiences, that is what? Psychological barriers. So the next one is the overcoming barrier of cultural influence. Now अभी यहाँ पर देखिए how to overcome the barrier of cultural influence. देखिए जनरली क्या होता है, टू ओवरकम द बैरियर ऑफ दिस cultural influence, you should do the proper preparation by knowing that the culture of the people you are addressing. By knowing the culture of the people you are addressing. So you should clearly understand what things may be misunderstood or what things are perceived differently in their culture. So keeping these things mind, keeping these all things in your mind, you should then frame your message and ensure that no part of it offends anyone as per their cultural beliefs. So culture का टॉपिक जो है जरा सेंसिटिव होता है, तो जनरली कम्युनिकेशन करते वक्त कल्चर के बैरियर के बारे में आपको पहले सामने वाले का कल्चर क्या है, वहां पर एक्सेप्टेबल क्या है एंड नॉन एक्सेप्टेबल थिंग्स कौन सी है, इसका स्टडी करना चाहिए एंड देन ओनली you should actually start with the communication. So just try to study the culture of people or the audience to whom you are trying to speak or trying to convey the message. So in this way we can overcome the barrier of cultural influence. Then next one is the overcoming prejudice. Now to overcome the prejudices you need preparation. So you should engage in dialogues with the individual and also ask them the questions in a composed and a friendly way to alleviate their anxieties, confusions, and to avoid their fears. So this will create one of the friendly and open atmosphere for the communication. सामने वाले का जो डर है वो थोड़ा सा कम करना चाहिए. So in this way we can overcome the barrier of prejudice. Then next one is the overcoming the barrier of feelings. Yes, obviously. इंसान है तो सबको feelings रहती है. And if these feelings are overwhelming, then communication might not be possible, obviously. So the communication should patiently give the time for the receiver to calm down. Then after this only the communication may take place. सो यहाँ पर सामने वाले की फीलिंग्स जो है हमको अंडरस्टैंड करके लेनी चाहिए, सामने वाले को थोड़ा सा टाइम देना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा वक्त देना चाहिए, सो दैट सामने वाला जो है वो काम डाउन हो जाए एंड देन ही और शी विल बी एबल टू रिसीव द मैसेज. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट इज ओवरकमिंग बैरियर्स ऑफ पर्सनल फैक्टर्स. सो यहाँ पर पर्सनल फैक्टर्स के लिए जनरली हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं बैरियर्स में, सामने जैसे कि हम लोग ने कहा पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस में यूज कर सकते हैं जो फैक्टर्स, वही सेम हम लोग यहाँ पर यूज करेंगे. जैसे कि किसी को किसी बात की एंजाइटी है तो जस्ट गिव देम एनकरेजमेंट एंड बाय गिविंग दिस टाइप ऑफ एनकरेजमेंट वी कैन ओवरकम द बैरियर्स ऑफ दिस पर्सनल फैक्टर्स. सो यहाँ पर अभी देखिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, देखिए हाउ टू मेजर दी measures to overcome the barriers of communication. We have seen them one by one. First one is lingual factors overcoming, then overcoming environmental factors or physical distraction, then overcoming the barriers of past experiences, that is psychological. Then next one is the overcoming barrier of cultural influence, then overcoming prejudice, then overcoming barriers of feelings, and overcoming barriers of personal factors. Then the next point which we are going to study is why communication is important. So what we will study now, I will just increase the font. The next point which we are going to study is why effective communication is important. इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों होता है, देखिए व्हाट वी कैन से इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन इज very important, is a very important skill. Effective communication is essential for the success. So the importance of effective communication is clear. So यहाँ पर अभी हम लोग देखते हैं, जनरली देखिए 75% yes of our day is spent in communication. And nearly 57% of projects stumble or what you can say fail due to poor communication, and around 73% of business leaders believe effective communication is important. देखिए आपके दिन में की 75% ऑफ आवर डे, 75% आपका जो दिन है वो कम्युनिकेशन में, कन्वर्सेशन में, बातचीत में जाता है. एंड ऑब्वियसली जो बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं दैट इज नियरली 57%, 57% प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं वो फेल हो जाते हैं जनरली ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ द प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन और नॉट प्रॉपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग बाय द रिसीवर और सेंडर्स. सो जितने भी सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस लीडर्स है वो बिलीव करते हैं कि अगर इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन, दैट इज 73% इफेक्टिव बिजनेस लीडर्स बिलीव करते हैं कि इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन आपका बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल करने के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. दैट्स वाई इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन इज very important factor for any business to become successful. So students, this is all about the effective communication. So book which I have referred for effective communication is Information Technology by Smita Arora. So ये chapter में हम लोगों ने क्या देखा, what is mean by the effective communication, then principles of effective communication, and 7 C's of effective communication, what are the barriers in communication and measures to overcome the barriers of communication, and lastly importance of effective communication. देखिए एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं लाइकवाइज व्हाट आर द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन, एक्सप्लेन 7 C's of effective communication, then discuss different barriers of the effective communication ऐसे पूछ सकते हैं. Then how you will overcome the barriers of effective communication, or explain the measures to overcome the different barriers of effective communications. And lastly what we can say, why effective communication is important, or why leaders are considering that the effective communication is important. So likewise the questions can be asked in the exam also. And let me tell you about the Unacademy's Freedom to Learn offer. Yes, for Independence Day, we are having the special offer which is exclusive for class 9 students. So you can buy 2 years class 9 subscription and get free IIT JEE NEET Foundation and NTLC subscription. Obviously, you can save 40% on subscription price. आप लोग 40% जो है सब्सक्रिप्शन के प्राइस पे सेव कर सकते हैं. सो जल्दी कीजिए, ये ऑफर जो है दैट इज इट इज फॉर द लिमिटेड टाइम एंड इट इज वैलिड फॉर द फर्स्ट ओनली 500 CBSE learners. And yes, offer is valid from the 11th August 2021 to 31st of August 2021. So देख किस बात की है, get a free subscription. So after this we are going to start with today's quiz. देखिए क्विज में क्या रहेंगे, 20 questions will be there and each question will be having 1 minute. So we will start with the today's quiz section. So it's time for quiz now. So ये रहा पहला क्वेश्चन आपकी स्क्रीन पर. The communication means being able to tell other people what you want to say. True or false? Your time starts now. time up. The correct answer is true. Yes, communication means being able to tell other people what you want to say. So the next question is, which of the following communication means communicating orally? Your options are verbal form, non-verbal form, written form, and visual form. So your time starts now. So time up. The correct answer is A, verbal form. Yes, verbal form is you are actually communicating orally. The next question is, which of the following communication means communicating via maps or charts? Your options are verbal form, non-verbal form, written form, and visual form. So your time starts now. The correct answer is D, visual form. Yes, visual form में जो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, communication via maps और chart कर सकते हैं. So the time for next question. Which of the following communication means communicating using body language? Options are A, verbal form, non-verbal form, written form, and visual form. Your time starts now. The correct answer. Which of the following communication means communicating using body language is non-verbal communication. The next question, that is question number 5. Which of the following communication means communicating using printed information? Options are verbal form, non-verbal form, written form, and visual form. Your time starts now. Which of the following communication means communicating using printed information? The correct option is C, written form. So let's move towards the next question. Question number 6. Oral communication is the dash form of communication. A, slower. Second, speedy. Your time starts now. Correct answer is oral communication is the speedy form of communication. The next question, that is question number 7, is on your screen. Which of the following has emotional barrier? Options are a verbal form, non-verbal form, written form and visual form. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A, verbal form is having the emotional barrier. Then we will move towards the next question, that is question number 8. Which of the following can be reused or duplicated? Answers are A, verbal form, B, non-verbal form, C, written form and D, visual form. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is C, written form. It can be reused or duplicated. We will move towards the next question, that is question number 9. Newsletter comes under what form of communication? Your options are A, verbal form, B, non-verbal form, C, written form and D, visual form. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is newsletter comes under what form of communication? That is written form. Then we will move towards the next question, which is question number 10. Newsletter comes under what form of graphs? Your options are A. Verbal form, B. non-verbal form, D. Written form, and C written form, and D. visual form. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is visual form. Yes, newsletter comes under visual form of graph. The question number 11 is on your screen. Which of the following feedback provides meaningful information? Your options are A. Descriptive feedback and B. Non-descriptive. Your time starts now. Time of correct answer is A. Descriptive feedback, which provides the meaningful information. Then we will move towards the next question. Question number 12. Which of the following feedback talks about a point particularly? Options are A. Specific feedback, B. Non-specific feedback. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is specific feedback, which talks about a point particularly. The question number 13 is which of the following feedback doesn't provide detailed description? Options are A. Descriptive feedback and B. Non-descriptive feedback. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is non-descriptive feedback doesn't provide a detailed description. We will move towards the next question, question number 14. Which of the following feedback gives general overview? Options are A. Specific feedback, B. Non-specific feedback. Your time starts now. Oops, time up. The correct answer is B. Non-specific feedback, which gives general overview. Question number 15. Which of the following sentences mean command? Options are A. Declarative sentence, B. Interrogative sentence, C. Imperative sentence, and D. Exclamatory sentence. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Imperative sentence means command. The next question, that is question number 16, is which of the following sentences means exclamation? Options are A. Declarative sentence, B. Interrogative sentence, C. Imperative sentence, and D. Exclamative sentence. Your time starts now. Correct answer is D. Exclamatory sentence, which means exclamation. We will move towards the next question, question number 17. Which of the following sentences means question? Options are A. Declarative sentence, B. Interrogative sentence, C. Imperative sentence, and D. Exclamatory sentence. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is B. Interrogative sentence means question. The question number 18 is on your screen. Which of the following sentences mean statements? Options are A. Declarative sentence, B. Interrogative sentence, C. Imperative sentence, and D. Exclamatory sentence. Your time starts now. The correct answer is A. Declarative sentences mean statement. The next question, question number 19 is which of the following is a word that introduces noun? Your options are A. Noun, B. Pronoun, C. Article, and D. Adverb. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Article is a word which introduces a noun. The last question is which of the following means a word that stands in for a noun? Your options are A. Noun, B. Pronoun, C. Article, and D. Adverb. Your time starts now. So the correct answer is B. Pronoun means a word that stands in for a noun. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in the next session. Till then, bye. So the next feature for the plus and iconic subscribers. Yes, we are having the exclusive feature for plus and iconic subscriber, that is raise a hand. So you can now speak to your favorite educator in live class. Yes, obviously you can ask your doubts also. So now you can clear your doubts instantly with an option to have one-to-one discussion with your favorite educator in a live class. So you can participate in quizzes, vivas, and doubt solving sessions to take your exam preparation to the next level, obviously. And you can have the personalized and highly interactive live class experiences. So you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off. So Unacademy, let's crack it. So the Unacademy offer for Plus and Iconic subscription. That is offer is going to end on 16th of August 2021. That is on Monday. So we are having the exciting mega offers for CBC classes 6 to class 12. So offers are likewise if we are having the Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription for 12, 15 and 18 months, then you are going to have the free CBC subscription for totally 2 months. The same case if you are having the subscription for 24, 36 and 48 months, then you are going to get the free subscription for the 4 months. And if you are having the Plus and Iconic subscription for 60, 72 and 84 months, then you are going to have totally free CBC subscription for 6 months. So same case for the free Creative Corner subscription. That is, if you are having 12, 15 and 18 month subscription, you will get totally 2 months free. If you are having 24, 36 and 48 month subscription, then you are going to have the free Creative Corner subscription for 4 months. And if you are having the subscription for 60, 72 and 44 months for Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription, then you will get the free Creative Corner subscription for totally 6 months. Yes, obviously you can have the flat 10% discount on purchasing Plus subscription for all durations. So उसके लिए आप लोग मेरा कोड यूज कर सकते, that is TDLab, and this offer is valid for the first 500 subscriptions. So जल्द से जल्द आपका subscription ले लीजिए. Let me tell you about the mega launch every Monday. Yes, and new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises. जी हाँ बिल्कुल, क्लास 9 एंड क्लास 10 के लिए हमारे पास मेगा लॉन्च एवरी मंडेज है. सो देखिए यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, जस्ट अनअकैडमी का प्लस एंड आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है बेस्ड ऑन योर चॉइस. सो द टर्म 1 विक्ट्री बैचेस, दैट इज फॉर मैथ, साइंस, इंग्लिश, संस्कृत एंड SST, दैट इज सोशल साइंस. सो ये जो स्टार्ट होने वाला, द डेट इज 16th of the August 2020. And the same case for the class 10, that is term 1 victory batch for maths, science, English, Hindi and SST, that is social science. So this is going to start on the 16th of the August 2020. So the same case for the CBSE classes 9 and class 10. The mega launch Mondays are going to start soon, that is note down कर लीजिए date, and you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% of discount. So you are having new batches, doubt solving batches and NCERT exercises also. So student, जल्द से जल्द हमारा channel subscribe कीजिए and you can have the Unacademy Plus as well as Iconic subscriptions. So friends, let me tell you about the basic plan about the Plus subscription and also the advanced plan of the basic, that is Iconic जो है ये Plus का जो है advanced version रहेगा. देखिए Plus में जो you are going to have the basic plan to get started, and yes, obviously at Iconic you can take your CBC preparation to the next level with personal mentor. देखिए Plus के features क्या क्या है, you are having the India's best educators as well as the interactive live classes, then live tests and quizzes, then structured courses and PDFs also. एंड इन आइकॉनिक में क्या रहेगा, प्लस के जो फीचर्स है वो सारे के सारे रहेंगे और उसके साथ आइकॉनिक में आपको एडिशनल फीचर्स भी मिलेंगे. देखिए यहाँ पर भी इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स रहेंगे, देन इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट्स एंड क्विजेस, देन यू आर हैविंग द स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेज एंड PDFs आल्सो. सो यहाँ पर एडिशनल क्या है आइकॉनिक में, देखिए द पर्सनल मेंटर इज देयर टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स, यू आर हैविंग द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस, live interaction with your mentors also, and yes obviously parent connect भी यहाँ पर रहेगा, that is teacher parent connection रहेगा यहाँ पर. एंड आपको आइकॉनिक का स्पेशल स्टडी पैनल जो है वो भी मिलेगा. सो यू कैन यूज माई कोड, दैट इज TD Live for flat 10% of discount for both, that is on the Plus and Iconic solutions. You can select the Plus or Iconic based on your choices. So उसके plans कैसे देखिए, अगर आप लोग CBSE का क्लास 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का लोगे तो ज़्यादा बेनिफिट रहेगा। अगर क्लास 10 का लोगे तो 10th 11th 12th आपको साथ में मिल जाएगा सब्सक्रिप्शन का। तो यहाँ पर देखिए पहले हम लोग प्लस का देख लेते हैं। इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द 3 month सब्सक्रिप्शन देन यू हैव टू पे 7,500 for the 3 months, that is 2,500 for per month. Now if you are having the 6 month subscription then you are have to pay 10,000 for the 6 months, that is flat 33% off. Then if you are having the 12 month subscription then you are going to pay 15,000, that is 1,250 per month. If you are going for the 15 month subscription then you will have to pay 18,000. If you are going for the 18 months then you will have to pay 20,000, that is 1,111 per month. Now if you are going for the 24 month subscription then you will have to pay 25,000 for the 24 months, that is 1,042 per month. If you are going for 36 months then you will have to pay 32,000 for whole 36 months and 889 per month. If you are going for the 48 month subscription उसमें आपको क्या लगेगा 40,000, 40,000 जो है पूरा का पूरा पैकेज रहेगा एंड 830 will be for पर मंथ। देखिए आज जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा पैकेज लोगे उतना ही आपका बेनिफिट और डिस्काउंट जो है वो बढ़ता जाएगा। सो बेसिक क्लास का 9, 10th 11th 12th का आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन देखिए द सेम केस फॉर 3 months 6 months 12 15 18 24 36 एंड 40 months। देखिए यहाँ पर 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो 12,000 को रहेगा विथ 4,000 पर मंथ। देन नेक्स्ट वन इज 6 months 17,000 रहेगा विथ 2,833 पर मंथ। देन 12 months का रहेगा 28,000। देन 15 months का रहेगा 32,000। 18 months का रहेगा 35,000। 24 months का रहेगा 48,000। 36 months का रहेगा 66,000 एंड 48 months का रहेगा 83,000, that is 1,729 पर मंथ। सो वैसे अभी आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो क्लास 10th 11th और 12th का सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लस के लिए देख लीजिए। 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन आपके लिए रहेगा 7,500 रुपीज़ के लिए। 6 month का रहेगा 10,000 के लिए। 12 months का रहेगा 15,000 के लिए। 15 months का जो है आपके लिए रहेगा 18,000 के लिए। देन 18 months का आपके लिए रहेगा 20,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 25,000 के लिए। एंड लास्टली 36 month का जो है वो 32,000 के लिए रहेगा। And the same case for the iconic, that is for class 10th 11th and 12th subscription, that is 3 months का रहेगा आपके लिए 12,000, then 6 months का 17,000, 12 months का 28,000, 15 months का 32,000, that is 2,133 per month। 18 months का रहेगा 35,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 48,000 के लिए। ऑब्वियसली वैसे क्या रहेगा 36 months का जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है लास्टली वो रहेगा 66,000 के, that is 1,833 per month with 54% discount. And yes, obviously you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off discount. So student जल्द से जल्द आपका जो सब्सक्रिप्शन that is based on your choice, that is plus or iconic, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करके लीजिए। So the India's largest scholarship test, that is Unacademy Comeback. You can win scholarship worth rupees 1 crore. जी हाँ, it is on the every Sunday. So link is given in the description box. So you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off discount. So let me tell you about the Unacademy Combat Scholarship Test. ये क्या है? That is it is for your formula for success in classes CBSE 9th and 10th. So देखिए स्कॉलरशिप कैसे रहेगी, यू कैन हैव विन स्कॉलरशिप वर्थ रुपीज 1 crore एंड यू आर हैविंग 30 क्वेश्चंस फॉर टाइम ऑफ 45 minutes। 30 क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे एंड यू आर गोइंग टू हैव 45 minutes टाइम। सो यहाँ पर टेस्ट जो है यू कैन यूज द लैंग्वेजेस बोथ, दैट इज यू कैन यूज हिंदी एज वेल एज इंग्लिश एंड यू कैन हैव योर फ्री लाइव टेस्ट ऑन एंड्रॉइड। आपके पास एंड्रॉइड मोबाइल है, आप लोग उस पर भी टेस्ट दे सकते हो, या फिर आपके पास लैपटॉप है आप उस पर भी टेस्ट दे सकते हो। इफ यू आर हैविंग द एप्पल यू कैन हैव द लाइव टेस्ट ऑन एप्पल मोबाइल आल्सो। सो enroll now. Our next upcoming compact, Unacademy Compact, is on the 15th of August 2021 and the time will be at 11 AM. तो स्टूडेंट्स जल्द से जल्द एनरोल कर लीजिए एंड अन अकेडमी कॉम्बैट की एग्जाम दे दीजिए। इसमें क्या फ़ायदा होगा, आपकी पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी, यू विल हैव सम ऑफ द एंटरटेनमेंट, यस, एंड देयर आर चांसेस टू विन द स्कॉलरशिप आल्सो। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So you can have the flat 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription. You can use my code, that is TD Live for both Plus and Iconic subscription with flat 10%. And you can download the Unacademy app now. Get it on the Google Play Store and you can download it on the Apple Play Store also. Try its all of the features for free using my code, that is TD Live. So students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. Unacademy, let's crack it.